Hello guys, and welcome into the final episode of the apartment renovation series. This will be basically the apartment tour after a long renovation period of about 5 months. From the first time I've started with the electrical system. So this will be also a thank you video for the electric team Romania. Really one of the most professional electricians you can find in my country. They finished the entire electric system in record time, and they had to wait for the other workers to do their job. So this is how the electric, let's say, main panel looks, with all the power fuses, with all the protections possible. The lobby with the door that takes us to the bathroom. Excuse all the stuff. So everything is in place, in a perfect working condition. The sink mounted on this little closet. It's really nice. It has basically all the spaces necessary to deposit everything. The mirror with a heating option, and also those three color temperature lights, so 6000K. This would be 3000K, and neutral 4000K. It's really nice. I still have left this area and this area to clean it, but I will do it maybe between the Christmas holiday and the New Year. But basically I feel like home in the bathroom. The doors are really nice, and they changed the entire way the apartment looked before they were mounted. In the kitchen there are some minor repairs that I will have to do here in this area, because the worker didn't make any wall straight, at least not even in the switches and inlets areas. The electricians had to do this in order to have the glass frames installed. So if they are not placed on a perfect flat surface, the frames will pop out. But yeah, I managed to purchase some closets for the kitchen. It's really nice compared to what I had before. They were really old and moldy. Also, I can deposit this really awesome wine bottle I received from a really dear friend of mine, and dear old friend of mine. Yeah, this is how it looks. Basically inlets on each wall, capable of, let's say, taking all any appliance necessary in a kitchen. Right here I have 6 inlets, which are all on the combi boiler circuit, so they will have a limited power draw. Also, I managed to hide here the UPS for the combi boiler and the battery. I will replace that in the near future because since it's with acid, despite the fact that it's perfect for a UPS, I would like to have something that doesn't let out any gases. Here is the old sink. I kept it like this. I had to replace the this part. I know it looks ridiculous, so it offsets the size of the sink, but it does the job. Trust me. If you need to have your sink appliance replaced, this is really nice. I mean, you can take it out and move it around. It's really perfect. The washing machine, if you have followed me on my channel, you already know how cool, how quiet it is. I'm really pleased with the appliances sold by Haier. And the fridge, again, amazing, from the same brand. A ton of space, and it is even smaller in height, so it's easier to access. Up we have the let's say IT closet with a UPS that did its job yesterday when the power went off. So I had internet connection through finally through the fiber optics that was let's say connected, and I have signal 2 days ago. But the only downside is that I will have to synchronize or make some adjustments for the UPS connected to a laptop, because when the mains go off and it switches to the UPS, it makes a nasty, really disturbing beep every 10 seconds in order to tell you that, yeah, it's operating from its batteries. So I didn't knew that. It's an option that you don't have it on the other one. It just makes a single beep when the mains are off, and that's all. But all the cables have disappeared, aside from these old ones, the old internet connection, and the old cable that I had to the surveillance camera inside my yard. This is the door between the kitchen and the living room. I went for the same design, 2/3 glass and 1/3 wood. No matter how I would have done it, it would have cost me the same. I went for the same combo with this door, thinking that I will not risk to, let's say, hit the glass in this side, not most not necessary with my feet, but who knows, maybe at some point I would drop a bag with groceries or whatever, and I didn't want to have the fear of breaking the glass. It looks really beautiful. I will have to repair that upper side, but I will do it myself. The mason, if I can call him like that, it's too much to call him like that. The worker that did the walls couldn't be bothered to repair it, let's say 5 centimeters more lower. And with this you can see the all wooden floor. It looks amazing. This is about it right here. Let's go into the living room. Since it's the Christmas Eve, the Christmas tree is already done, waiting for Santa Claus. So yeah, this is how the living room looks right now. I discarded the old furniture, where, let's say, it was my library, so to say. But yeah, it looks really nice. I bought this light appliance. You can find it on my fashion unboxing and reviews channel. In case you're interested, I presented it there. The lights are G9, it has 5 of them, and the rest, everything is what you see with glass, is crystal and a metal golden frame. It's really nice for my living room that has a ceiling way lower than it would be normal. Right here we have all the inlets and internet through fiber optics and TV with cable, waiting for a let's say a computer and a screen, a TV to be placed there, but it will be in the future. And yeah, I managed to receive these also. They look really nice. Again, those ends, those heads are from crystal as well. Compared to what I had before, they look really nice. And yeah, you can see the door between the kitchen and the living room. The piano survived the entire renovation, and there I have some boxes left that I will empty as I will purchase in the future more furniture. Right here you see the door between the living room and the other room, the small room, my bedroom. Here we have a door that is the same model but with wood entirely. So it makes the entire room look really nice. Something like this. And in my bedroom I have the video editing rig right here. All my halogen and LED lights gathered over the years. I've managed to put them in those, let's say, tight boxes. until I will see exactly where I put them, and the same thing for the drawers, or how they are called. The heating system again, here a radiator, the main one, and the small one, I've moved it right there. It is really amazing, and I have such a comfort right now in my home. Dolly again is unmoved. She's a bit scared, I must admit, by the Christmas tree. It's the first year when I make a Christmas tree with the cat. Last year I didn't purchase one because I was afraid that she would destroy it. But actually she's really cautious when it comes to the Christmas tree. So this is just a good thing. Well guys, this is about it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you to have a Merry Christmas with your beloved ones, to be able to feel the joy of the nativity of our Lord and Savior, and I really hope that in this time you will be able to also experience the peace of mind and the quiet of the heart. I wish you all the best, to have a happy new year, way better than this one, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.